Well, let's put a BSA transmission back together. Brand new clutch basket, brand new shift plate and a 20-tooth front sprocket, new shifter gear and engine main oil seal on the crankshaft, and the cluster. And all I have to do is take all this stuff, all this stuff, and put it in here, some of it, about half of it, and the other half goes around here and goes in this half. Notice the brand new, really high-tech oil pump I just installed. The old pump was pretty worn, so we went ahead and bought one of these really nice ones. Client did. I installed it. So it's a real nice BSA A65. The problem was it was shifting very difficult. First and second worked pretty good. Third and fourth, once it got up there, you couldn't shift back down out of it without a lot of effort. So third and fourth were really bad, and first and second were okay. So it turned out that the shifter plate that I showed you over here is worn, and got a new one. And you can't really see the wear, but it's in this area right in here. And while we're here, we're changing the 19-tooth sprocket to a 20-tooth, which will give the client a much more comfortable cruising speed while only taking a little bit of fastness off the line away. But he's not drag racing anybody, would rather cruise, so the 20-tooth front sprocket makes a lot of sense. And this little spring right here, if you notice, it crosses over. And that's the newer version of the shift return spring. And it goes in here, let's see, right in this area. And if you can see, that spring just comes straight out with no crossover. So the one that crosses over gives you more return on the shift lever when you shift, a crisper return. So that's why we're changing it. So sitting here ready to go, I've got two primary gaskets, new ones, just in case I have to do it twice. And we're getting ready to start the day and let the fun begin.